My vision for India in 2047. Postcard writing. Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, as we all know that India got independence in 1947 and by 2047 we will celebrate our 100th year of independence. On this glorious occasion, I want to express my vision for India in 2047. My vision for India in 2047 is that India should be free from corruption, poverty, illiteracy, crime, and all things in which India lag behind. My vision for India is peace, prosperity, and truthfulness. My vision for India is that no child beg, no child should be forced into a bonded labor. My vision for India is that everyone of equal respect. There is no discrimination of caste, gender, color, religion, and economic status. I want India to be scientifically advanced, technologically better, and agriculturally advanced. I want women in my country to feel safe, secure, and they walk freely on road. India of my vision, where all the remote area of the nation turned into big and advanced city. In 2047, I want medical treatment to be cheaper so that even the poorest of the poor are not left without treatment. I want in the next 25 years, India should become a strong nation. It is my vision that every people of India will be educated in 2047. I want my India as a perfect and ideal nation for all other countries. Thanking you, yours truly, Satyam Pathak.